Hi all, today I'm taking you with me through some of the most unexpected, iconic and surprisingly peaceful places in Manhattan, from the grandeur of Grand Central Terminal to quiet side streets, historic churches, the gritty reality of the New York City Subway, and even the calm luxury of city shopping malls. So, if you love discovering cities through real, unfiltered experiences, make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel stories from around the world. And please subscribe for our Instagram. So, when we think of Manhattan, we usually picture skyscrapers and crowds, but actually it also has quiet, peaceful streets like these, and what really surprised me is how clean they are. The next point is Grand Central Terminal. I wouldn't say Grand Central Terminal was something unexpected. I've always known it's beautiful, but being there in person, it just took my breath away. It's not just a train station. It feels like a living monument. The architecture, the atmosphere. You can tell this place means something to the city and to everyone passing through. When I pictured downtown New York, I imagined skyscrapers, suits, and the rush of Wall Street. But definitely not this. Right in the middle of the financial district, surrounded by glass towers, is a small, historic church, and next to it, an actual graveyard. This is St. Paul's Chapel, the oldest surviving church in Manhattan. And the fact that just steps away from one of the busiest financial centers in the world, you find a quiet spot with gravestones from the 18th century. This really surprised me. It's like stepping into a different world, where time slows down and the city noise fades into the background. New York Subway. I'd heard so much about it, and of course I had to try it for myself. Compared to London, the stations here feel older. But what actually surprised me was that the trains weren't packed. I was riding on weekday afternoons and they were calm. Plenty of space to sit or stand. What wasn't so great was the smell. But this is of course just my personal experience. I'm not speaking for everyone, just sharing what I saw and felt while riding the subway. And what I definitely enjoyed is that Manhattan has a lot of malls, shops, and shopping centers, and some of them are huge. Even in busy areas like Hudson Yards or the shops at Columbus Circle, there is room to move. And the variety of stores is impressive, from high-end designer brands to affordable favorites. You can find almost anything. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Make sure you've subscribed, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Are You With Me Travel. Thanks again. See you in the next one.